You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all this word correctly in English. Yes, I love this word because the spelling makes it so confusing, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. As stereotypy. I know it's not stereotypy. It looks like it, doesn't it? But it comes, of course, from the word stereotype. So the stress is on the first syllable. Stereotype and stereotypy. Stereotypy. Isn't that a beautiful word? I love it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did you get it? Did you guess it correctly? Let me know. Stereotypy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.